April 1st, 2025. And today we're going to see how much work they have done so far. So far, they have done only a couple. They're installing new guardrails from over here. I can tell they are doing a little bit of work right now. So I'm going to pause the recording and take a look at what they've done so far. They're installing new guardrails. See? See that? You see that road I'm talking about? They're installing new guardrails. They might put another lane on here. We don't know yet. I'm not really for sure if they're going to put another lane or not. But maybe in the other area they will. This whole area, the water coming out of the road, right? You know, the water leak, the water pipe, you know that? Water coming in, the high tide, huh? Like what I'm talking about right here. On Overseas Highway, this is how much work they have done so far. And so far, this road is they're gonna repave the road in no time. Right? As you can see, there's, they're not making a lot of changes to this road. They're making a few changes to the road. They're installing new guardrails and right turn lane. Right? You know that? Right turn lane. And they're also gonna, that's what they need to do is put new guardrails and all that. That's what they need to do. That's what they're doing right now. They're installing new guardrails and everything. So, that's why they have the traffic move over to the guardrail. See, they're working on this side too. But let's see how much work they have done so far. You see how much work they have done? Now, hopefully this construction will be completed soon. Hopefully. If this road might be 2 lanes or not, we don't know yet. We'll find out. I'll give you updates about it as soon as possible. If this road should be 2 lanes or not, we don't know yet. Probably. Looks like there might be. Don't know yet. But anyway, I did this video area before. I'm gonna videotape the bridge one more time before again I'll end the video when we enter the other side of the bridge. So yeah. So anyway, over here you can see the water behind me right here. You see the water behind me? Now there's no leaves in here. That's because it was hot and sunny. And I want to mention that new bridge they just built about, how long was it built? This new bridge? I believe it was built they started in 2006. And now it's still useful. Yeah, you can still use it. It's in good operation. You can still use that bridge. It's still a brand new bridge. They built it back in 2006, and now it looks so much better. So we're heading into this bridge right now, and the road work is going to end. See, road work is ending soon. So that's what I see what they're doing right here. They're not really going to put a new bridge, they're just working on the road. That's all they're doing. And all these caution barriers, they're going to repave the shoulder too. And notice down here. I forgot to mention down here, there's something way back here. And you've seen they paved this other side of the road. Yeah. Perfect. Now I'm back. So we're almost heading into the Keys. And yeah, you can see the water. You can see everything behind you. See that water behind me? I can see the boats and the birds up there. So yeah, I'm gonna pause over. End this video in about after crossing this bridge. So as you can see, I did this video a couple of times. I might do another video like this when this highway is completed. We'll see how much work they have done. We'll get you updated on this. I'm also gonna mention there was a wildfire happening on Cardside Road and US 1. That's what happened. Yeah, that's what happened while there was a fire on US 1 and Cardside Road. But the good news is the fire is out. And today is April Fool's, so today I'm gonna bring an April Fool joke. I'm gonna say there's a tornado coming. And I say April Fool. I'm gonna mention the bridge is gonna fall down. April Fool. Just kidding. So yeah. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this little video here of US 1 of the construction and how much work they have done. So far, hopefully, I'll get to do the next video when this road is when this construction is completed, and hopefully it'll be completed by June or July. I'm not sure. Maybe it'll be finished by July or August. I'm not really sure. But just let me know in the comment down below what you think. It's going to be if you think this road is going to be too late, please let me know in the comment down below and tell me what you think. So anyway, I am going to end this video in about 20 seconds. So I only have 20 seconds until I'm in this video. So anyway, I'm going to end this video right now. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. So thanks